motor repair shop, all these small company, does it actually really relates to the digital transformation? So that's a topic that we want to discover and explore today. So today's is the project manager of a MCM brand affiliates program, Mr. Lucas Wong. So please introduce the project you are currently managing. Mr. Lucas, to share about the MCM brand affiliate program. Let us welcome Mr. Lucas.
Hello, Roy. Okay, so thanks, Roy, and our VP of our GIC. And also today, I would like to thank our Professor Meg Shankar for inviting me here to share with you about something news from our MCM. Okay, so actually right now, everybody is talking about post-MCO. Every business, they want to transform from the traditional methods into a new methods. But before this, I think we would like to let everyone know what is MCM doing, okay, from the for the past 1 to 2 months. So Roy, next slide. So I would like to let everybody understand our MCM integrated resources sharing ecosystem. So MCM is not only a company, but we now we are building our own ecosystem. Like we have a e-learning platform, we have e-commerce from B2B, B2C, and up to O2O. We also have our ECF platform, equity crowdfunding partners. So we are helping SME, okay, with online one-stop solutions. Okay, so MCM also doing the project management consultant, and we have more than 5,300 members in our global investment community. So actually, this ecosystem is to help our partners to grow our businesses together. Okay, right, next slide, please. Okay, so today we are introduce our MCM, a new program we call Brand Affiliate Program. Okay, this Brand Affiliate Program is to gather all our partners together, okay, including YouLearn Money, okay, our Butil, our BizPortal, okay, into our ecosystem, and everyone can help together to grow the business. Okay, so this Brand Affiliate Program is very simple. Roy, next slide. It's so simple, okay, very easy, just reading a very simple apps. Okay, so everyone can forget about computer, just use mobile and app, then you can manage your business. Okay, and it connect and integrate with the social platforms as well. Okay, so we share the data within our partner together. Okay, so MCM now we have this new program for everyone and also for our members in GICs. Okay, thank you, Roy.
Go into the second topics of day that we would like to actually covering is what are the challenges that face in this traditional industry before we
back to your question. Okay, actually right now not only the traditional business they are facing big challenges. I think everyone, okay, they are having a big challenge in our life. But actually we can ask ourselves, what have we learned from this pandemic? I think we must always ready for the worst situation, right? And try to minimize our risk and ready for ready our cash flow for the next 6 months. Okay, I always say crisis is also an opportunity for everyone, for everybody. Okay, so next slide, please. Okay, we have some friends, some partners. Their business even better during the MCO. Okay, because they try to leveraging on the technology, or they give some we call value, extra value, okay, into their current businesses. Okay, like our partner, okay, Money Compass. They do I think more than to this morning only. We're having a webinar, okay, live in the Facebook as well, and they have more than 1,000 engagement just during this morning only. So actually, online business is increasing. Okay, so for traditional business, if we can try to digitalize our business, actually we can overcome these challenges. Okay, like our Money Compass. I have been following Money Compass for many years. I think since 1999 or 2000. Okay, I'm reading the magazine. So from 20 years ago, we are reading the magazine. Okay, today Money Compass become a e-learning platform. Okay, so we have another partner also. Roy, next slide, please. Okay, our another partner. Okay, they even doing very well. Okay, in MCO. Okay, because they not only go for cashless business, but they improve in their consumer database. They have a very good integrated supply chain, and also they give the customer a real-time engagement. Okay, so if okay, our business we can improve. Okay, after the pandemic, I think this is not a challenge for everyone. Okay, but it's an opportunity for everyone to grow our business together.
So how is the digital transformation may benefit the project during and after the MCO?
Actually, digital transformation is really help everyone. And also during this MCO also helping MCM as well. Because I think this is, I think we have been organized more than 47 webinar during the MCO. Almost one day, one webinar, right? So actually, crisis is always an opportunity for everyone. Okay, so this digital transformation help us a lot, especially also helping our partners. Okay, we are helping a lot of SME to do the transformations. Okay, from the from B2B, B2C, or O2O, we're providing a one-stop solution for them. Okay, so today we are going to launch a new program we call a brand affiliate program. Okay, so what is this BAP? Right, next slide. Okay, BAP is to build a long-term passive income for everyone. Okay, it can be a passive cash flow. Okay, to start this BAP, okay, the startup capital can as low as 0. So there's no risk for everyone, and all the back-end engine and system already being set up, ready for you and ready to go to market. And there's no time and location restriction. So from Malaysia, from East Malaysia to West Malaysia, from West Malaysia to East Malaysia, okay, you can anytime, any place, okay, doing the business 24 hours. Okay, no stock up and follow up challenges, because all the follow up, okay, will back to our partners. Okay, so this will create an automated income for you. Okay, and we are leveraging on the technology, so you can have an unlimited potential profits. Okay, and we earn in every spending counts. Right, for everyone here, we would like to invite you to join our BAP, our brand affiliate program. So you may ask me how to join. It's very simple, so simple. Okay, right? Next slide, please. Okay, you can click on the link letter and you do the registration. Okay, and after about 2 weeks time, we will have a training for you, a complete training when our back-end system or the back-end engine is ready. Okay, then after that, you can just build a site. You can build your blog, your YouTube channel, your FB account, your IG account. Okay, then just insert the BA link, the brand affiliate link. For the content, you don't worry. You just copy and paste the ready content for you to do the promote. What you need to do is to build your followers, to build your audience, and then promote your content via all the social media. Okay, and you can also even invest in the paid advertising. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, we have product, we have the Ulam Money, we have the BizPortal product, we have the Butir product. Okay, right? So you copy the link, right? Paste on the social media. Okay, then promote. If somebody click on your link, they go to the card, they make payment, then you earn credits. It's so simple, right? Everything is automated. So how to register? So Roy, can you show the next slide? So you sign up the program today, scan this QR code, or you go into our registration link. It's very simple, bit.ly/MCM brand affiliate, and you do the registration. After that, we will collect all the data and we will inform you when will be the complete training for you when the backend system is ready, right?